Hi, I'm Prabhu Yadav. You all will be watching in this video about why middle class people stay middle class. So let us start. Most of the middle classes spend always more than they have actually. They wish to have more liabilities to maintain false status into their relationship and societies as well. They prefer to have more loan in their lives to upgrade their status, but it never being achieved. They never purchase assets to improve the quality of their lives and to get the financial freedom thereof. They don't believe in regular savings of their earnings and investment into the right direction to create wealth in due course of time. Even they are not determined to improve themselves to change their class status upwards in the societies to live a happy, peaceful and comfortable life. As per my opinion is concerned, you'd believe it or not, but more than 90% people of middle class don't accept changes. Not able to make any changes to their lives, and even they don't have any goals of their lives to make any changes to upgrade themselves in the societies. They have always hopeless and all sorts of negative thinking markings towards their lives. They never used to consider their thoughts in a positive direction or way. They always afraid of losing something if they will do anything fruitful for them as well as their families. Neither they have zeal and enthusiasm, nor they have any risk taking, risk managing capabilities in their lives. Families matters and for societies as well. Due to the reasons explained into the above paras, middle class people always remaining middle class in the societies, and very few courageous, determined, with a very strong willpower, who manages their financial activities very well and consistently for years together, only be able to get their classes and statuses changed respectfully upwards in the societies, in the countries, and or you can say the world. This article is written in the interest of middle class people. If it is able to encourage only 1% out of 100 among the people who have read the article